Hi guys, what's going on? I just wanted to tell you a little bit about something that I recently ordered. They're Sharpie paint markers. I'm sure you guys have heard of Sharpie before. It's a pretty popular brand. They make permanent markers. That's what I think they're probably most known for. I always love Sharpie. No brand is ever as good as Sharpie. I've tried like Rub-A-Dub and like some other permanent marker, and I feel like they just don't work as good. They don't last as long. They dry out super quick. So the way I actually heard of this was I basically was making these glasses for my bridesmaids for my wedding, like wine glasses, and I just wanted to write on them like, will you be my bridesmaid, and like a couple starfish and stuff. So I had heard about these Sharpie markers from my sister-in-law, who's really into like arts and crafts and stuff, and she was like, get the Sharpie paint markers, like they're permanent. Even if like the glasses go through the dishwasher, you know, they'll be fine. Like the marker won't wash off at all. They'll stay really well. So I was like, all right, like let me try a pack. So the other pack I ordered two. There's like one, I think there's like purple, green, yellow, blue, and pink, if I'm not mistaken, in the other pack. And then this was like the more neutral pack that I literally just opened up. This has black, red, white, silver, and brown. So these are a little bit more of like your neutral colors. Black is very important because like on my markers, when I'm using like, you know, paint markers to like do something, I just always need black. Like it's just your standard color, whether it's to like just sketch like the outline of something or whatever the case is. Like for example, if I want to draw like a starfish, I'll like, you know, obviously do it in yellow, like the color of a real starfish, but I'll use like the black to make the spots or the outline or whatever the case is. So I think these colors are very important to use. They mark on wood and glass, which is great too. Like if you're, you know, if someone's handy and like instead of using a pencil or whatever, they'll use a marker to just mark something. I don't know, say you want to like cut a piece of wood and you got to mark where you got to cut it, use this on there instead of pencil. Easier to see, brighter, and all that. So they're like a medium, I guess, thickness, oil-based paint markers. So they're Sharpie opaque paint markers, and they mark on virtually any surface: metal, pottery, wood, rubber, glass, plastic, stone, etc. Oil-based ink is quick-drying, fade, abrasion, and water-resistant. Marks opaque and glossy on light and dark surfaces. It's a guarantee. You could send it back if you're not satisfied. Let's open one up. What color should we open? So I'll do red. And they all come like sealed in this plastic wrap. Alright, so I got the wrap off. See the marker. I think what you have to do is like you probably have to press on it a little bit. I think it's like a felt tip. Let's see, to get the paint to come. Oh, I'm just like pressing on it. I had a bad experience with another set of markers where like, you see it coming out a little bit there. I had another bad experience with a different brand of paint markers where the tops would like explode if you pushed on them too hard and stuff like that. So alright, so I just like pushed it in a little bit, and like say you want to draw like a rose or something. Works nicely. A plastic bottle with me. Draw on here. Just writing my name. My name is Melanie. Wow, it's really nice. It really does have a glossy finish. Very pretty. Really nice. I could see I'm going to be happy with these, and I already know because I used like the other set of colors that I purchased with these, that they worked really well. Yeah, I got some of my hand once, and like obviously like it comes off, but it just, you kind of have to scrub it a little bit because they really are permanent. I feel like Sharpie never disappoints. It's just a great quality brand. Magic marker. Directions: remove cap with marker and tip up. Position: depress point with finger. Recap and shake well to mix paint. Super easy to use. It's the red rouge. Oil-based. I guess they will come in packs of 5, and you could probably just get like whatever color you like. But there you have it. These are the Sharpie oil-based paint markers. I hope you guys found the video useful. Hope you guys try them out and love them. Have a great night.